Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the to-do to your list on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click to the third option, the to-do, and here you can check your completed or uncompleted to-dos. But if you want to create a new one, click to the plus green icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can add the title, a description, you can set the priority, the end time, or you can pin to notification bar, and you can linking a text for that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.